Hello, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. They're going to show you the unboxing about the rubber car mats. This is the original one of the mats to the BMW G60. As you see, I have unboxing for the passenger and the vehicle driver. This is the number of these mats, as you see. And let's take a look at this mats. It's a rubber mat. It's been special made for the rainy days or something dirty things that you have in your car. So this is for the driver and this is for the passenger. And as you see, in this case, it is the first impression. The mat has aluminium logo here. It looks nice and pretty well. On the downside, you have a form of the plastic that the mats have some strong of the shape of that. And as you see, this mat is looking same on the back and has same the logo with the aluminium here. I have to know if it have a good scratch in the future, but I hope it doesn't get. And let's see on the back seat mat. It's rubber, of course. Of course, the parts is from original store BMW. As you see, it's two for the BMW G60. And it looks same, but it doesn't have a BMW logo. Yeah, it's something like that. On the back side, it has a plastic skeleton and getting the form of this. So that is look like with the original ones. In the next video, I will show you how this look like in the BMW G60. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!